5 middle-class traps that will keep you poor forever. What's up, everyone? Today, we're diving into 5 key habits that separate the wealthy from the rest, based on insights from the National Study of Millionaires, which found 79% of millionaires are self-made. These are practical things you can start doing today to boost your productivity, income, and financial success. Let's get into it. Number 1, take ownership, don't blame. Many people fall into the trap of blaming external factors like traffic, algorithms, or bad luck for their setbacks. But research on the locus of control shows that believing you control your outcomes leads to greater success. Instead of saying, "I was late because of traffic," own it. Ask, "What could I have done differently?" Maybe leave 15 minutes earlier next time. By taking responsibility for both your failures and successes, you'll naturally start creating your own opportunities rather than waiting for luck. Only 2% of millionaires got rich through luck or inheritance. 98% took action to build their wealth. Number 2, follow the right money order. Saving every penny might seem like the path to wealth, but there's a smarter order to manage your money. First, build an emergency fund for financial security. Only then should you shift extra dollars to investing to grow your wealth and beat inflation. Wealthy people know saving is step 1, but investing is how you scale. If you're unsure where to start, research basic financial plans or tools to guide your next steps. Number 3, optimize your environment. Your surroundings shape your decisions more than you think. Studies show our environment subconsciously influences our choices. To break bad habits, add friction, like unplugging your gaming console to avoid wasting hours. To build good habits, reduce friction. Keep a book on your coffee table to encourage reading. Surround yourself with driven people who inspire you to level up. A well-designed environment makes success easier without relying on willpower alone. Number 4, prioritize health. Wealth means nothing if you're too unhealthy to enjoy it. Neglecting your body, skipping exercise, eating junk, or burning out can derail your progress. Focus on simple changes. Eat more fiber-rich foods like fruits and veggies, exercise efficiently with compound movements 3 times a week, and cook whole foods at home when possible. Taking care of your health now saves you from spending your wealth on medical bills later. Number 5, be frugal, not cheap. There's a big difference between being frugal and being cheap. Cheap people focus only on the lowest price, like buying a $50 mattress that ruins your sleep and causes back pain. Frugal people focus on value, like investing in a $200 mattress that lasts years and improves your productivity. Calculate the cost per use. $100 shoes that last 100 wears cost $1 per use, way better than $10 shoes that fall apart after 2. Look for coupons or sales. 93% of millionaires do this to maximize value. Bonus tip, optimize your taxes. Overpaying taxes is like giving the government an interest-free loan. The average 2024 tax refund was over $3,000, money you could have invested or used to pay off debt. Adjust your W-4 form using the IRS withholding calculator to keep more in your paycheck. Maximize contributions to tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k or IRA to lower your taxable income. Small tax tweaks can build serious wealth over time. That's it. These 5 habits, owning your outcomes, prioritizing money moves, optimizing your environment, staying healthy, and being frugal, can set you on the path to financial success. Drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which habit you're starting today.